Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something I hope you never have to use, but that could be the most important thing you ever buy, a tactical survival kit. We've all seen the headlines, the unexpected happens. Power goes out, storms hit, or you find yourself in a tricky situation miles from civilization. A real survival kit is more than just a box of band-aids. It's a pre-packaged plan for survival built on the 5 pillars: shelter, water, fire, food, and first aid. We scoured Amazon to find the top kits available in 2025, from ultra-compact gear to full-on bug-out bags. We're going to break down what makes each one stand out, so you can decide which one is right for you. Let's jump in. Product 1, Everlit 250-piece Survival and First Aid Kit. This is a great entry point for anyone serious about preparedness. It's a fantastic hybrid kit that packs a ton of value into a small package. The first thing you'll notice is the quality of the bag. It's made from military-grade, water-resistant 1000D nylon. This isn't some cheap fabric. It's built to last and has a MAL system on the back, so you can easily attach it to a larger backpack or vest. Inside, it's packed with a mix of over 200 first aid supplies and essential survival tools. We're talking everything from a comprehensive first aid kit with tourniquets and bandages to a multifunctional axe, a folding shovel, and fire starters. They even include an emergency tent and mylar blanket to help with shelter and heat retention. This kit is all about covering the basics and then some. It's perfect for the trunk of your car, a day trip, or as a base for a more extensive bug-out bag. Product 2, Everlit Complete 72-Hour Bug-Out Bag Family. This isn't just a kit. It's a fully loaded disaster plan for an entire family. This bag was designed by survivalists, experts, and veterans, and you can tell. It comes in a heavy-duty, tactical backpack that's made from durable 1000D polyester, designed to withstand a beating. The bag itself is thoughtfully organized with multiple compartments and inner pockets. But the real selling point is the contents. This is a full-service bug-out bag approved by the U.S. Coast Guard for its food and water rations. It includes 3 days' worth of food and water for 3 people with a 5-year shelf life, plus water purification tablets. Beyond sustenance, you get a premium first aid kit with a cat tourniquet for serious bleeding control, a hand crank flashlight with a built-in radio and phone charger, and a range of survival tools. This is the kit you buy when you want total peace of mind for you and your family. Product 3, Blue 72 Emergency Backpack. This is a great option for a single person, focusing on the absolute essentials recommended by the American Red Cross. The simplicity is what makes this kit shine. It comes in a triple pocket, reinforced backpack that's light and easy to carry. Inside, you get a 2,400 calorie food bar and 5 emergency water pouches, both with a 5-year shelf life. You also get an emergency blanket, a rain poncho, a hand crank flashlight, and a 36-piece first aid kit. What's smart here is that they've included the absolute necessities without any of the extra bulk. This makes it perfect for a college student's dorm room, a car kit, or for anyone who wants a no-fuss, no-frills solution to disaster preparedness. Product 4, Everlit 250 Pieces Survival First Aid Kit. You might notice this one looks similar to the first kit, but this is the updated Everlit 250-piece First Aid and Survival Kit with a more streamlined focus. Designed by Army veterans, this kit is all about being robust, compact, and packed with high-quality gear. It has the same Great Mall compatible 1000D water-resistant nylon bag, but this version puts a slightly greater emphasis on first aid. You'll find more bandages, a mylar space blanket, a tactical flashlight with 3 modes, and a multi-function paracord bracelet that includes a compass and whistle. This kit is a fantastic choice for those who want a primary focus on medical preparedness, but still need those core survival tools. It's built to be tough, portable, and ready for anything. Product 5, G4 Free 45L Military Tactical Backpack. We have something a little different. Instead of a pre-packed kit, this is for the person who wants to build their own. The G4 Free 45L Military Tactical Backpack is the perfect foundation. This backpack is made from high-density, durable, and water-resistant 1000D polyester fabric. It's got a huge 45-liter capacity, so you have plenty of room to pack your own gear. The mall webbing system is everywhere on the front, sides, and bottom, giving you endless options for attaching extra pouches, a sleeping bag, or a tent. It also has a padded back and adjustable straps for comfort, plus it's hydration bladder compatible. This is the ultimate starting point for a customized, high-quality bug-out bag. You can buy the best individual components and build a kit that's perfectly tailored to your needs. Product 6, 430-piece First Aid Kit. Shifting our focus purely to medical readiness, this is the 430-piece First Aid Kit. While not a traditional survival kit with fire starters and knives, this is an essential component of any complete preparedness plan. What makes this one stand out is its organization. The bag has multiple, clearly labeled pockets, so you can find what you need without fumbling around in a stressful situation. It's absolutely packed with professional-grade, latex-free medical items, exceeding basic standards. The bag itself is made from waterproof, tear-resistant polyester with reflective strips, so you can easily spot it in the dark. It even has a maul system and multiple handles for easy transport. If you're building a multi-part survival system, this is the first aid kit you want to be the centerpiece of your medical supplies. Product 7, Wayland Ultimate Survival Kit. For a pure, unadulterated survival gear kit, the Wayland Ultimate Survival Kit is a fantastic choice. This kit is built around a truly impressive, full-tang survival knife. The star of the show is that knife. It's a full-tang fixed blade, which means it's one solid piece of steel, making it incredibly strong for everything from chopping wood to self-defense. But this kit isn't a one-trick pony. It also includes a durable ferro rod and striker for fire starting, a multi-use paracord bracelet, a stainless steel compass, and a bright LED flashlight, all housed in a large, water-resistant case. This kit is designed for the outdoorsman who wants a rugged, no-nonsense set of tools for a backcountry emergency. Product 8, MMAX Survival Kit Outdoor Emergency Gear Kit. Now for the minimalist. The MMAX Survival Kit is a tiny powerhouse. It fits in the palm of your hand, but is packed with essential tools. This is a great EDC everyday carry option. The kit comes in a compact, waterproof case. Inside, you'll find a multi-function tool card, a fire starter, a compass, a wire saw, a whistle, and even a pair of multifunctional pliers. The best part is the size. You can throw this in your car's glove box, a small backpack, or even a large jacket pocket. It's the perfect just-in-case kit for a day hike or short trip where a full bug-out bag would be overkill. Product 9, Luminary Tactical Trauma Kit. This next one is for the pros and serious preppers. The Luminary Tactical Trauma Kit is a fully stocked first aid kit and a tactical backpack designed by veterans. This is a next-level medical bag. The backpack itself is the first feature to note. It has 4 compartments with mesh pockets for easy organization and is fully maul compatible, allowing you to add more pouches or gear. The back panel is breathable and moisture-wicking, keeping you cool on long hauls. The real value is the contents. It's fully stocked with over 200 medical supplies. While it's a first aid kit, it's designed with trauma in mind, making it a professional-grade option for first responders, tactical users, and anyone who wants the highest level of medical preparedness for their family. Product 10, Serious Survival Pre-Packed Bug-Out Bag for 2 people. Finally, we have the ultimate grab-and-go solution. The Serious Survival Pre-Packed Bug-Out Bag for 2 people. This kit is a complete preparedness plan in a single bag. They use a high-density 900D Oxford tactical backpack that's both durable and water-resistant. What's impressive is the sheer amount of gear they've packed inside. We're talking 7,200 calories of food rations, multiple water filtration options, a solar-powered M/FM/NOAA radio, first aid supplies, and shelter and warmth tools like bivy bags and ponchos. They've even included a stainless steel multi-tool, a solar power bank, and a solar flashlight. The value here is undeniable. Instead of spending months building your own, this bag comes ready to go, designed by experts to cover all your bases from day one. So there you have it, folks, 10 of the top tactical survival kits and gear options you can find on Amazon right now. Whether you're a minimalist looking for a small EDC kit or a serious prepper who needs a full-blown bug-out bag for the family, there's a kit out there for you. Remember, the goal isn't just to buy a kit, but to be prepared. A kit is a tool. You need to know how to use it. Which one of these kits do you think is the best? Or maybe you have your own custom kit you've built? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews and survival tips. Stay safe out there.